We have been planning to visit Turkey since middle of 2018. From the delightful of Bosphorus and the tasty doner or kebab, Istanbul is the city that has many to offer. Starting from the date selection to the destination to explore, we created an itinerary just to make sure our journey runs smoothly. January 31st, 2019. From our home in Klang, we started our journey to KLIA Kuala Lumpur. 8 hours trip to Dubai, DXB using fleet A380 flight number EK347. The hospitality was so great with a tasty meal offered by the airline's crew. The in-flight entertainment service also serves a numerous decent movie selection. It helps to fill our 8 hours flight to Dubai. We arrived at Dubai Airport around 10:30 p.m. and need to stay for a connecting flight outbound to Sabiha Gökçen in the next morning. The airport surrounding was huge with so many convenient shops, cafes and facilities. Until then, let us snooze and we will meet the next day, inshallah. Sabiha Gökçen Airport or SAW located at the Asia side of Istanbul, proudly managed by our Malaysia Airport Berhad or MAB. We definitely not going to miss our opportunity on the first bite of simit, the local Turkish pretzel. Combine it together with chai or Turkish tea, it would be awesome.
Tayfanla biz okyanusları gezer, nerede bir hazine.
Our next connecting flight via Pegasus Airline, scheduled in 1725 flight number PC2744 using Boeing 737-800 bound to Kayseri. The accommodation host has arranged a shuttle van to ferry us from Grome, Cappadocia. Our next video in the making, Part 2, Love in Cappadocia. Stay tuned for our next adventure in Cappadocia, which we will be exploring the UNESCO World Heritage backpacking style. Thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.